Yeah. When that house get loud, a grown man gotta find him somewhere to cool off. Yeah. House get loud, everybody fussing again. Doors slamming, nobody trying to give in. I grabbed my keys, didn't say a word. Sometimes silence the best thing a man ever heard. Got a mason jar waiting in the console cup. Little white lightning when life get rough. Truth is, I don't even wanna be out here tonight. I'd rather be laying in my woman's arms, letting her hold me close tonight. But a couple more hits of this white lightning might make everything feel alright. Feel alright. Sitting in my truck with this jar clear, trying to drown these worries just for a while. Yeah. Radio low, blues guitar crying slow, moon shining bright on this old dirt road. Just me, this truck and this jar tonight. Just me, yeah. This jar tonight, jar tonight, jar tonight, jar tonight, jar tonight, jar tonight. Gravel popping under these old truck tires, engine running low like a tire man's fire. Took another sip, felt that burn go down. Lord knows tomorrow we might work it out. But tonight I'm parked under these country stars, talking to the moon through this mason jar. Sitting in my truck with this jar clear, trying to drown these worries just for a while. Yeah. Radio low, blues guitar crying slow, no moon shining bright on this old dirt road. Just me, this truck and this jar tonight. Just me, yeah. This jar tonight, jar tonight, jar tonight, jar tonight. Anybody ever had to leave the house just to cool off? Yeah. Anybody ever had a little white lightning up you think about it? Ooh. Sitting in my truck with this jar clear, trying to drown these worries just for a while. Yeah. Radio low, blues guitar crying slow, moon shining bright on this whole dirt